Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make lip scrub. I decided to make lip scrub because my lips were dry, cracking and peeling, and also they were bleeding sometimes. So I decided to make lip scrub with sea salt and honey, but that did not work out. And then I found a different way to make lip scrub, and I decided to share with you guys. So you need a container that you're gonna put your lip scrub in. I got this container from the Dollar Tree, and also you're gonna need cinnamon to add to your lip scrub. I like cinnamon, I like the smell, so I decided to add that to my ingredients. And this is brown sugar. You can use any sugar you like. You can use white, you can use brown sugar for your lip scrub. And also I have here 100% coconut oil. And what else? Other thing that you need is your bowl and your spoon to put your ingredients in, and then you mix it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will be useful to you. All you have to do is just watch closely on how I did it. Watch it to the end, and then and then let me know how yours came out by leaving a comment below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like my channel. If you are not new to my channel, welcome as well. I'd like to thank you for supporting, and also leave a comment and press the bell button so you can get the notification when I post new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye for now.